Everything you just watched came from a text prompt. No After Effects, no design skills, no coding. Just a sentence typed into an AI. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this today. I'm Dino, and I'm here to help you master CapCut the easy way. Let's jump in. So let me explain what is actually happening here, because once you get it, the whole thing clicks. Two tools that they work together. Remotion is the tool that renders motion graphics from code, and Claude Code is the AI that writes the code for you. You describe what you want in plain English, Claude Code writes the code. Remotion builds the animation and you export it, and then you can drop it straight into CapCut. That is the whole loop. You never have to type any code whatsoever. Right, setup. I'm going to keep this short because I have put together a full step-by-step guide, Mac and Windows, and the link is in the description. Everything is in there, so I'm just going to show you what you need, where to get it, and then we are moving straight into the fun part. You need 4 things: Node.js from _nodejs.org, download the LTS version, Git from git-scm.com, Claude Code desktop app from claude.ai. This does require a subscription, and a browser for the live preview, which you already have. Once those are installed, you create your Remotion project, do a one-time Git setup inside it. The full guide walks you through every command in order and covers everything that can go wrong. So if you get stuck at any point, open the link in the description and it is all in there for you. So let me show you how this actually works by building one live. I'm going to start with the rolling number animation because it is one of the most useful things you can drop into CapCut. You have seen those videos where a number counts up on screen. They always look great, and now you can have one in 2 minutes. So I have Remotion Studio running in the browser and Claude Code open right in front of me. I'm just going to type exactly what I want, type this prompt into Claude Code. Create a rolling number animation from 0 to 100,000 over 5 seconds. Place it on a transparent background. Make the final number or brand color 02E482. Keep it on screen for 5 more seconds, then fade out. Watch what happens in Remotion Studio as Claude writes the code. You can literally see it building the animation in real time. That is the thing that gets me every time. And that is it. That took about 90 seconds. Now I can hit render, export it, and drop it straight over any clip in CapCut. It sits on top of your footage perfectly because the background is transparent. Next one. This is the search bar animation, and honestly, this is one of my favorites because it looks so much more polished than it should. It is the kind of thing you see in high-end production YouTube videos, and it takes 2 minutes to make. Type this into Claude Code. Create a search bar animation. In the animation, make the search bar slowly zoom in smoothly, then leave it on for 3 seconds, then make a cursor blink instead of the word search for 3 seconds. After that, wait 5 seconds and add an arrow cursor animation, clicking the magnifying glass. Then after the click, the entire animation fades to black. Make the search bar box semi-transparent and this color 02E482. See that cursor blink, the click, the fade? Looks properly produced, but here is the part I actually want you to pay attention to. Notice that in the prompt I asked Claude to wait 5 seconds after the cursor blink before the click happens. That was intentional. That 5-second gap is a text layer placeholder basically. When I drop this into CapCut, I add a text clip on a layer above the animation during those 5 seconds and put a typewriter effect on it from the animation tab. The animation does the search bar, the cursor blink, the build up, and then my text types itself in during that gap, and then the click happens and it fades to black. It looks like one seamless sequence, but the text is completely separate. This means I can reuse this animation forever. Any search query, any keyword, any phrase, I just swap the text layer. I never have to re-render the animation itself. This is the whole point of building it this way. Quick one before the good stuff. If you want the free assets to use in your edits right now, there is a free creator starter pack at 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗔𝗧𝗪. You get horizontal mattes, social media mattes, outline frames, Apple look to 𝗥𝗘𝗠𝗢𝗡 lot, and 15 CapCut effect tutorials. Each one is under a minute and designed to create the kind of scroll-stopping visual hooks that make people stop and watch. All free. Links in the description. This one is where it starts to feel genuinely impressive. This is the subscriber analytics dashboard, glass morphism cards, animated counters, the whole thing. The kind of graphic you see on big channels and assume took hours. Type this into Claude Code. Create a premium cinematic creator analytics motion graphic in Apple linear stripe style with a black background, glass morphism UI cards, soft shadows, subtle depth, floating layered elements, smooth graph animation, and green accents in 02E482. Include a large animated subscriber counter, growth percentage, watch time, engagement stats, floating analytics cards, and dynamic UI motion. Use premium typography, cinematic pacing, soft easing, spring animations, sequential reveals, and subtle motion blur. Content: YouTube subscribers 12,487, growth plus 42%, watch time 148K, engagement 8.7%, format 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second, 8 seconds. Those floating cards, the spring animations, the sequential reveals, all from that one prompt. And you can swap in your own numbers, your own colors, whatever you need. Just tell Claude what to change. The last one is the most ambitious, a full website promo video. I gave Claude a URL, our logo, our brand colors, and a call to action, and asked for something that looks like an Apple ad. I just needed to add some sound effects and music to it. Type this into Claude Code. Make a promo for 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗘. Use photos and videos available on their website. Use their logo, horizontal videos, some brand font and colors. Call to action is everything on their website is 30% off for a week. Professionally designed like Apple and beautifully animated. This is what came back. That pulled the photos from the website, used our logo, matched the brand fonts and colors, and animated the whole thing. I genuinely could not believe it the first time I saw this render. And every single one of these, the rolling number, the search bar, the dashboard, the promo, they all came out of Claude Code and Remotion. Then I just exported them and dropped straight into CapCut. The full setup guide is linked in the description. Every step, every command, Mac and Windows, completely free. Go get it, follow the steps, and you will be building your first motion graphic today. If this video was useful, a like and a subscribe means a lot. It shows us that we're doing the right stuff. Now go create something awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.